Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they bring us some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Cufflinks fam, good morning. All right, so we're at the airport and we are getting ready to go, and we're excited because it's all of us, me and my brothers. It's my big bro over there.
What up?
Yeah. Yes. Yes, so as usual guys, we'll be taking you along, so stay tuned to this video. So y'all, this is my cousin Elton. You so seem nice and good. Yeah.
Use the right 2 lanes to keep right to merge onto State
We
Road
outside.
836 West.
Subscribe.
So we're here. That's Kodak. Kodak, say hi to the people. Look how big he is. Oh my gosh. And Kodak is 8 months. Oh. Welcome to the Cheesecake Factory. So we're at the Cheesecake Factory. LT's having something Jamaican. And I eat no Jamaican food. JR is having salmon and steak. And I'm having this. So it's shrimp scampi and well done steak and mashed potatoes. Guys, this was Bria's first dog. Yes, this little. Aw, look at all these fake animals. You don't have to take care of them. Just put them in batteries. Well, put batteries in them. Aww. We're at Sawgrass Mall. Yep. I am drawn to these stores like magnets. Like, I cannot help myself. Wearing Carters, and Lord, I am seeing all kind of things that I want to buy for the girls. Oh my god. Oh my god. Money done, you know. Done. Done. Aww, so cute. So I'm having this is a custom made ice cream cake. I have snickerdoodle on the top and Cookie Monster on the bottom. Alright, so packing know, and getting mommy's things together. So this is a souvenir for the party. It says 60th, well, number 60 bottle opener, and it has sticker at the back which says Winsome's 60th birthday. Ah, what? I'm so excited. So it's a beautiful morning. Good morning. Well, by the time you're seeing this, it won't be morning, but yeah. So this is the morning of the surprise, and we are so excited. I'm excited to my belly hurt me. Oh gosh, we're so excited, and as usual, we're gonna be showing you. Yeah, Mama B 60. She's gonna be so frightened to see we. Yeah, girl. Anyways. Morning, brother of mine.
I'm here, dog?
Yeah.
Good morning.
No, much better
I
man.
think I phoned it up. What's up? How you doing?
Yeah, coxswain.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Some coffee with some creamer. Got me some sugar. Chilling.
Yeah. We made it. We're on our way, mommy. Okay, so we're here and tired. So let me let you in on a little secret. So the plan initially was for all three of us to come, right? And then the plan changed because of some, flight difficulties. And then the plan changed again back to the original plan just a few days ago. So JR and I are here, and we're actually waiting on Brent to land, and then we're gonna make our way to the surprise. I'm so excited. Lord Jesus. So we're going to catch up on some sleep in the well, we're not gonna sleep in the meantime. But guys, I'm so excited, but it hurts me. Wee. Stay tuned. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys that Daddy does not know that Brent is coming, so that's a little surprise on top of the surprise of the surprise. So we are getting ready. So this is one of Mommy's gifts. Here is another Mr. Big Barnaby. And then it has a little thing here where you open out and get chocolate.
What's up, my G? Hold on, bro.
Okay, so I'm properly stressed. Guys, we're so excited. Jeez, I forgot my glasses, but I'm going to keep on my glasses because I can't see without it. Okay, so we're ready. Gifts ready. Siblings ready. Daddy soon come. Everybody ready. And there's another gift right here. This gift full of niceness. Wee! Oh my god. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Guys, look at the detail with this picture. Yeah. Alright. It's from a place in Cayman called Nice Sweet Package. Lovely. Oh my gosh!
my God. Oh, pull it off.
Pull it off.
And these are my children, and they're coming to surprise their mother on her 60th birthday. And they are going into the office now. Happy birthday, my baby! Happy birthday! Take off the mask, let me see your face.
Happy birthday to you.
Take off the mask. Oh my God. Oh yeah. They're not ghosts, they're your children. They are not ghosts, they are your children. Oh. They are your children. Oh. Oh boy, I'm so sorry to bring it down on you like that, but I couldn't have done otherwise. Oh, oh. Thank you guys, thank you so much.
She can't stop crying.
You know, this is how we do it. Don't worry. It's all about the clan.
And then Buster start crying out.
You remember? You remember what you said to somebody this morning? That boy, you miss your children, and occasions like these, you normally have your children around. Here they are, here they are, here they are. Oh my word. I got a surprise too because I didn't know Brent was coming. So at the airport, I was pleasantly surprised. Oh my God. So say something, come on. Oh, you can't say anything. Oh my God. Oh.
This is my baby.
All right, let me see.
This is my one and only daughter, Basilia. And this is my eldest, Basil Jr.
Yeah, sit down, sit down. Absorb it. Sit down and absorb it.
Oh, they look like the children,
Oh, we should have the song, I gotta be dreaming. Oh boy.
Big 60, we had to make it special.
Yes. I was saying to Mrs. Lewis this morning that, usually this is a big thing, if I had my children here.
She didn't know. we could not be here for your big 60. And when she called me this morning, I was in Miami, but I went into the dark closet, so she thought she woke me up. So I'm in there talking to her in the closet in the dark, and she thought I was sleeping.
That is why I told you this morning, Mom, that I'm going to have a rough first part of the day, so I'll call you on your lunch.
And I didn't hear from you.
He typed in the group.
Yes, in the group.
Yes. And that's why we couldn't talk to Bria this morning. So we're at Kamana Bay. This is Bria's favorite place. And it's all about celebrating Mommy's 60th birthday. Turn around, let me see you, Mommy. Let's see your shirt. Oh, a queen was born on March 31, 1962. So we just had dinner by Kamana Bay and heading home. Guys, I've eaten so much food today, like I'm going to have to spend a little extra time in the gym because my bet, geez, I feel like, trainer, I hope you're not watching this, I feel like I have gained probably 5 pounds between yesterday and today. Not good, but hey, this lazy life. Food for them. Yeah, so we're here at Kamana Bay. We're heading home now. Heading home, so yeah. Our fish point. So I think what happens is you can walk into the water and you can interact with the starfish, but you can't take them out of the water. So if you're holding them, you have to hold them underneath the water. So pretty. Guys, it's been such a great time in Cayman. We enjoyed coming to surprise Mommy and we've been having a good time. I think what I love about Cayman, it's so laid back, I guess because we're vacationing and not working. So laid back and beautiful, like the infrastructure and the landscape and the houses. We're so fascinated with housing. Like we'll just drive around and just look at houses. That's JR. So let me show you where we're heading to, where we're having lunch. So it's at the hotel compound. That's where we're having lunch, at the hotel compound. And we're on the deck.
One.
What's your name, dear? You can leave it up. What's your name? Cynthia. I'm going to throw some sand and then we're going to think it's food. And then you're going to see them come, okay?
How's the temperature, man? Warm, innit?
It's cold, isn't it?
It's cold.
It's cold, eh?
How many so hot?
A little longer.
He's the chef in the family, so tell us what you're cooking tonight.
Alright, so because we're on vacation, you know, we don't have a lot of resources to use. So we use what we have and what we can find in the local supermarket. So today we found some chicken, which is pretty basic stuff you can find in the stores. We got some shrimp. We're gonna make some garlic butter shrimp today with some vegetables. We have barbecue chicken we're gonna do. We're gonna blanch some vegetables and then roast them in the oven. So we prepared some carrots, some broccolis, and zucchinis.
Zucchinis.
And then, because everybody in the family loves corn, we must do some corn. So we're gonna do, some boiled corn, some buttered corn, and then, we're gonna top it off with some jasmine rice. All right.
Nice.
So first to start off, preheat the oven. As usual, we're going to broil the chicken first to get a nice brown crisp on the top. And then we add some barbecue sauce. So chicken already pre-seasoned. Throw it in the oven.
Yeah.
We're gonna leave that for about 15 to 20 minutes on broil, and then we take down temperature to a bake around 350. And then I've already started some water. We brought it to a roll boil. And then we're going to lightly blanch the vegetables because we're gonna finish it off in the oven. We just dump it off in there. Keep our bowl because we're gonna use it again. For the vegetables, we want to leave it in the water, a little over a minute and a half.
Oh, so not long.
So we're not boiling it, we're just lightly blanching it. Alright, so after the break, I'll take you back to where, we season the vegetables. So here we have the chicken browning. It's coming on very nicely. And then we are going to prepare a special barbecue sauce from some of my favorite ingredients. So if you know me, Grace Ketchup. We have some Kraft barbecue sauce. We have some sorrel, the lemon paradise. And we're going to add some coffee to give it a depth of flavor. And when the sauce is almost there, we're going to use a little bit of butter in there to give it some body as well. So stay tuned.
So I am headed down to the ground floor of the hotel that we're staying at because one of our party accomplices is waiting to collect some of the party stuff, decor and stuff, so that she can set up for us tomorrow until we come. So if I didn't say it before, mommy is getting a lot of surprises this weekend. So first it was us actually coming, and now I don't even know where the lobby is. Father help me. This way I think. Right, first it was us coming, and now we're throwing her a surprise birthday party tomorrow. It's a dinner, very elegant dinner, so I am excited about that. And yeah, it's going to be one on top of the other, and she has no clue. I'm sure about that. No clue. So I am heading to the lobby right now. I have table runners in here. I have sorry if I seem distracted. I'm trying to figure out where to go. Alright, table runners in here. I have some little decorations for the top of the tables. I have a backdrop. Oh, it's so dark, jeez. Sorry guys. I have a backdrop and a whole lot of other things, so you'll definitely see it tomorrow. So we're going to go see Catania. She's my sister here in Cayman. Yes, inherited sister. You're welcome. So I'm going to go see her now, and then I'm gonna deliver these and then head back to the room. Yes, Uncle Brent. We're vlogging.
What she said?
We're vlogging.
Oh,
We're vlogging for YouTube.
That's the flag.
I'll go find it because this baby show is in there. What? Where are you going? Come on, come on.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Double surprise.
No credit.
Looking fabulous. Really nice.
What's your?
Oh yeah, surprise again.
Sorry, Jen.
Oh yes, I saw it. God bless you. Pleasure meeting you.
First one.
Yeah. Okay, nice.
Nice to meet you.
Right here. Right.
No, you see here, say anything. No.
No, put her right there so the happy birthday is right over her. She's trying not to cry.
I spoke to you.
Party is over. And guys, let me tell you, she nearly.
My heart is in good condition, you know. My
Yeah.
heart.
Feeling good?
Oh yes. Can't sleep tonight now.
Push. All right, so we're just gonna get some pizza and go back to the hotel. Uncle Brenty is flying out first. He's wondering where his bodyguard is. See him there in the full black. Yeah, Uncle Brenty is flying out first. And then me and Jay. So we're at the airport early. And yeah, bittersweet. Happy to go home to our families, but we have to leave Mommy and Daddy. Lord have mercy.
That's very good.
So you go.
One low.
Say peace out.
Peace out, guys. It was a pleasure.
This is the end of our trip. We going home. Yeah. Been a great few days, yeah? Now we're going home.
I'm on the cars and Bella's in the cars.
It ain't easy. It ain't easy.
Then the seat belts done.
That's it? Do we need anything else?
No, we don't. Oh, let's color this.
You happy that mommy's home?
You happy?
Mm-hmm.
Are you happy?
You're not coming back to daddy now? Come to daddy. What do you mean no? Oh, you tell me I'm your best friend today?
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.